practical sense. Let's apply this knowledge here. Suppose that at your firm that your firm experiences decreasing marginal product of labor with addition of each worker regardless of current production level. Average total cost would be
A.
okay. What others? I heard A.
I would also say A.
Okay. Nicole and Oliver. Guys, participate. Ella.
A as well, sir.
You also say A. Well, it's not A. It's D. D. Why? Because all up till now what we have studied based on decreasing marginal product or diminishing marginal product. Right? Remember, when your firm is facing diminishing marginal product, then all these curves happen here. Okay? So when your company faces diminishing marginal return, it means your average total cost is U-shaped, MC crosses at its minimum, average variable cost below the ATC, and average fixed cost is always decreasing. So no matter whether you produce one more unit, two more unit, remember, at all point, you see, at all point, come on, where are we? At all point, you see here, at all point, the average total cost is not just rising. A can never be the answer. Not B can never be the answer. Does it remain constant? No. Right? So it means at all point, it first decreases, then stays the same here a little bit, and then starts rising. So A and B can never be the answer. All right? Then C can never be the answer because it's not constant. Only option is D. Oliver, understand now? Marco? Nicholas?
Yes, sir.
Understand? Now answer this. Average fixed cost will be you can see your curves which you have drawn. Average fixed cost will be what is it? I see here.
Yes.
So what is the answer here? Guys, please participate. Average fixed cost is always decreasing but never touches x-axis. So its answer going to be B. Marco, Nicholas, Oliver.
Yes.
Thank you.
So guys, why don't you participate? Okay, please participate because this is very important even for your own business as well. We'll see some managerial discussion when we talk about these scenarios. Okay, now this question. Marginal cost will be
Rising.
A.
well done. Well done. Okay, now cost in the short run and in the long run. Before going into long run and short run, let's talk about the practical scenario or managerial discussion with related to your own business. So I think let me go to the whiteboard. So what we have discussed, that average total cost is a U-shaped curve. Average variable cost is below the average total cost. Average fixed cost is always decreasing. And MC crosses, I think I made a mistake here. MC crosses the ETC at its minimum. Okay. So as a manager, when you are operating a business or when you are running your own business, you don't need to, go through management, call your production department, where we should stop production or where we should increase production. Just remember this rule. Simple. If you understand these curves, it tells you so much information regarding your business, what's going on. So remember, this point where MC crosses the average total cost, this point, which means MC crosses the ATC at its minimum, which is efficient scale. Okay, we talk about that. The bottom of the U-shaped curve is called efficient scale. So this is basically efficient scale. Because at this bottom, whether you increase your production from 10, 11, 12, 13, costs remain the same. All right. And if you produce left side, this left, and okay, this is right. Right. The left hand side is where every total cost is greater than MC. Why? Because if you are producing here at 5, to draw a line, this is MC, and this is ETC. Yes, this is MC, ETC. So at left hand side, ATC is greater than MC. So you are running your business, you see the graphs of your production and MC, the average cost curve that we just draw. You can draw it on Excel and you find out where right now your production is. If you are producing 5,000 units, so maybe these are in 1,000 quantities. So you immediately call your production house and say, produce more. And why is that? Because when you produce more, you see cost will decrease when you produce more. 6, 7, 8, 9 until you reach to 12,000. All right. So what is the managerial discussion? Or you call your accountant or you have your own data sheet. You say, what is my average total cost? He says your average total cost is, for example, your average total cost is 25. And what is my MC? Okay, your MC is 10. You immediately call your production department, go for extra shift. Why? Because producing more will decreasing your cost. All right. When decreasing the cost, it means profit gonna be maximum, or you will gain more profit by producing more and selling more. No matter How much is the price in the market? But if you control your cost, because your cost is decreasing, in that case, you are gaining market share plus profit as well. So guys, you understand what I'm saying?
Yep.
Right? And now beyond the point where MC is equal to ATC, this point where MC is equal to ATC, beyond this point, so beyond this point, we have MC greater than ATC. How? For example, this point, let me mark it with which color? Pink. So if you are here, this quantity you are producing, for example, 15,000 quantity, right? Your ATC is here, and your MC is here. ATC and MC, where MC is equal to MC greater than ATC. You call your accountant or your finance manager or your production department, what is my MC right now? They will tell you, okay, your MC is, for example, here 35. What is my average total cost? We say 30. You immediately call the factory production workers or supervisor over there and you say stop the production. If you are running extra shift, just close the extra shift. Okay, reduce the production. By reducing, you see, what is the average total cost? This average total cost is decreasing. No, you may have some orders, you may cancel the orders. You call your marketing department, do not book any further orders. Why? Because if we sell more, we have to produce more. When we produce more, our cost gonna rises because market price is the same. One thing is equal to $10. If your product is one product is equal to $10, product is the same. So that layman, price is the same. That layman concept that if you sell more, you will get the maximum profit is no longer true. That is a layman concept. Now you are a business student. A business student must be rational and he must know that selling more will be increasing your profit up to a certain point. Else, your cost gonna start rising when you produce more, and then your profit gonna be decreasing. Okay, so you call immediately to your marketing department. Don't book any orders, right? So that's what happened in real life as well. When you want to book something, and you call the marketing department or the customer service, they always tell you, sir, we are overbooked. And what is the reason behind that? Because right now they are producing at which point their MC is greater than ATC. If they produce more, actually it will increase their cost and reduce their profits. So they have the instruction from higher authorities, do not book any order.